Hey there, it's your boy Greg, and you're probably wondering why I look super fancy. Well, that's because I'm using and talking about a super fancy razor called the Edwin Jagger DE86. And I was gonna do a fake British accent. Unfortunately for you, I don't have one. It's terrible. I usually break out into a Boston accent, which, sounds like my entire family. Anyways, Edwin Jagger. When I first saw it and wanted to remember what it was called, I thought it was Ewan McGregor, Mick Jagger, something British, right? Well, Edwin Jagger, established 1988, building really handsome. Look how handsome it is. Safety razors. And yeah, they are the pinnacle of safety razor design. Sorry, I'm just gonna crack my beer open. Fun thing about this beer, High Life, it's from Tampa, Florida, but I'd never seen the sport spelled out before. High Life, the fastest sport in the world. So when I saw this at a local brewery establishment place that has a bunch of beers on taps, they had it, and I could only order it as JLA. So I looked pretty silly. That's saying something. Anyways, back to this razor. I've been using this for about a week and a half, and I gotta say, probably the best shaving experience for my style and for my face that I've ever had. It came with a feather razor, and I don't know if you've ever tried one, because I hadn't until I got it with this razor. Really smooth shave. I just feel like it left hairs behind after I shaved, and so I typically don't like doing multiple passes during the winter months. I've got my Hawaiian shirt on, so obviously it's winter time. But yeah, this guy here, really easy to hold, even though it's it's got the black handle that doesn't have any crevices in it for grip. So, but it hasn't slipped or anything while I've shaved. I haven't nicked. I did a 3-pass shave this morning just to see if I could, and I could. I did a good job. Go me. Anyways, I think this quite possibly could be the best safety razor I've ever shaved with. And price point, the King C Gillette, still like it, still have used it a few times. It's $29. This is about $10 more, and it's a totally different experience. Edwin Jagger is based out of Sheffield, England. So that's why I was going to do the British accent. And fun thing about Sheffield, that's what I was pushing to name our baby if it was a boy. So that's kind of fun. Here's my little baby boy. I ended up having a daughter and didn't even have to have that conversation at that point. So probably dodged a bullet there. So my shave, to keep it, the same through all these different razors I've tried, Blade Scram. I've been using this for about 3.5, 4 years. I did switch brushes recently. I have an Omega now, and it's boar hair. The first time I used it, it stinks. Like, it smells bad. It actually smells bad. But you gotta think, pigs, boars, they're not known for smelling good. So I did some squirrely stuff, lathered up a few times, left it in cold water and with some soap in there, and it doesn't smell anymore. So it's actually really cool. So these hairs are a lot longer than what I usually have been using for my shave brush for lathering. So it actually gets a really, really good lather, real thick, like thick enough, but not like, where you look like Santa Claus. But yeah, Edwin Jagger DE86 is the black, 87 is the ivory, 89 is the chrome handle, and they have the 89L that has lines in it, or crevices, as I mentioned. But if you are looking for something, you have sensitive skin, have great taste, like something that looks really good on your countertop, Edwin Jagger DE86, 87, 89, based on your preferences for that. Otherwise, it's the same razor, and I highly, 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 highly recommend it. So, have a good shave. Let me know if you have one or have tried this in the comments. And let me know if you have found something that's similar to this that you think I might also like. But I appreciate you, and you have a wonderful day.